Hello, I'm again speaking to you as we've just concluded this week's press conference in relation to COVID-19 coronavirus. I wrote a note out to you all last night setting out that we are in an unprecedented time in terms of the coronavirus. It's unprecedented for three key reasons. Firstly, it is a novel virus and we're learning about it every day as we progress. Secondly, it's unprecedented in terms of the scale at which it picks up and attacks into the community. And thirdly, it's unprecedented because it does impact on all aspects of our health service and needs a response from all aspects of our health service. I'm really appreciative of our staff in the National Ambulance Service who've now put in a new process for us to carry out testing in the home or in a community setting following the advice of our public health teams. Secondly, I'm very pleased to communicate that we have secured an investment of over €20 million to bring on stream a further 20 ICU beds all across the country. And finally, I want to again thank you all for your work, your support throughout this period, and indeed to the wider healthcare professions, our GPs, our pharmacists, etc. It's really supporting us in staying in this containment phase. I would urge you to urge your families and your communities to do everything we're asking in this phase. Thank you.